Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best meat thermometer you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Thermopro TP20 Wireless Remote Meat Thermometer. For highly accurate meat temperature readings on demand and lots of other handy cooking features, the Thermopro TP20 Wireless Remote Digital Cooking Meat Thermometer offers you a lot of cooking versatility. Whether it is cooking up a storm in your smoker, on the grill, or outside on the barbecue, the Thermopro is your best choice for perfectly cooked meat. The Thermopro has dual 6.5-inch food-grade stainless steel probes that allow you to monitor 2 lots of food at once. If you are entertaining, you do not have to miss out on the action, as the wireless digital meat thermometer has an excellent range of 300 feet, and the additional mobile receiver will keep you updated on the temperature of your meal, so you can cook your least culinary creations while taking some time out to mix with family and friends, do chores, or watch TV without ever having to physically check on your food. The TP20 displays both Fahrenheit and Celsius readings for temperatures from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees centigrade to 300 degrees centigrade. It has an audible alarm or beeper alert for programmed temperatures, a countdown and count-up timer, with 2 different time duration options, with a high level of cooking versatility programmed. The meat is cooked according to taste, such as rare, medium, medium well, and well done, or set your own temperature settings manually. Pros: great value for money. High accuracy. Thermometer transmitter and receiver. Dual extra long. Cons. The second. Number 2. Meter plus 165 feet long smart wireless meat thermometer. With this product, you won't have to worry about fluctuating temperature or heat loss because it comes with a probe with dual sensors that check the internal temperature of meat up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and the ambient temperature for the oven up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit at the same time. What makes Meter's long-range smart wireless meat thermometer unique is that you can monitor your food from a distance of up to 165 feet using a remote control, or connect the unit with MeterLink Wi-Fi and Meter Cloud to use Alexa, or download a free app available for iOS and Android to check your food on your phone or tablet. This is a convenient feature that extends the range of coverage when grilling outdoors or when you need to carry out other tasks in another room. There are programmable settings for estimated cooking time and temperature to eliminate guesswork, and custom alerts and notifications for best results. Buyers recommend charging the probe initially for 4 hours, leaving the charger next to the oven to boost the Bluetooth signal in it, and pairing the charger to the app instead of the probe, which is charged automatically. A few of them have reported loss of Bluetooth connection, even when they were at a short range from the oven, issues with the charging process, and a long learning curve when you first start using the probe. Pros: 2-sensor probe. Smart connectivity function. Accurate thermometer. Food is well done. Custom alert scans. Charging issues. Number 3. Inkbird Whiffy Grill Thermometer Wireless Meat Thermometer. Bluetooth is an inexpensive and easy way to connect to your phone, but it does have some issues, namely in range. You can opt for a wireless meat thermometer with Wi-Fi instead, which means that it can send you updates on your phone wherever you are. You don't even have to be on the same network as a Wi-Fi meat thermometer, as long as you have a cell connection. This Inkbird Wi-Fi meat thermometer features 4 probes, all with separate alarms, and 12 modes ranging from cold smoke to fish to lamb. Wired meat thermometers are a slightly older style than wireless. The probe is attached to a display with a cable. You leave the probe inserted into the meat while it cooks and run the cable through the edges of a closed oven door or grill cover. Then you can simply place the display anywhere nearby. The advantage is that they're often quite cheap and don't require you to open any cooking appliances, releasing heat and disrupting an even temperature. In addition, there's no risk of missing an alert owing to internet issues. On the other hand, you do have to be nearby to see or hear the alarm go off. There are plenty of budget meat thermometers out there that'll do the job almost as well for exceedingly low prices. We're talking under $20 here. You'll be missing some of the more advanced features, like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and they'll likely be slightly flimsier in terms of materials. Pros: comes with 4 different probes. Has a bright, user-friendly LED display. Backed up by a strong force. Can be controlled. Cons: meat probe. Number 4. Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo Ambidextrous Meat Thermometer. For super fast and highly accurate temperatures, the Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer is an excellent choice for all foodies. As well as being one of the most consistently accurate thermometers on the market, its response time is within 2 to 3 seconds. Whatever you need to cook, the Lavatools thermometer can conquer any cooking task. It makes sure that your meat is cooked to juicy perfection, bread is baked with commercial quality, and you can even check the temperature of your coffee so that it is served at just the right temperature. Specially designed for high-heating cooking and barbecues, this top-of-the-line measuring instrument has a 4.5-inch probe with a tapered edge, and it is made from food-grade stainless steel, and the total length of the thermometer is 10.75 inches, so you can easily check the temperature of the meat at the grill or in the oven and keep your hands away from the heat. For quick measurements, the Lavatools Javelin is designed with an ultra-large 2-inch anti-fog LCD backlit ambidextrous display, which has 360 degrees viewing clarity and a power-saving mode. The numbers on the display automatically rotate depending on how the device is held, which makes it the perfect choice for left-handed cooks and when you need to cook at awkward angles. Pros: very good value for money. High level of accuracy. Fast instant read. Designed for high heating. Cons: relatively. Number 5. Inkbird Grill Bluetooth BBQ Meat Thermometer. What sets Inkbird its 6XS apart from other similar models is the rechargeable built-in 1000 mAh lithium battery that saves you extra costs on battery replacement. The battery comes with a 164-foot USB cable that charges it to operate for up to 40 hours on a single charge. The cable is compatible for 5V 1000 mAh, and you can monitor the battery level on the Inkbird app that connects to the probe via Bluetooth. Other notable features include 6 probes that measure temperatures from 32 to 572 at a remarkable accuracy of plus or minus 1 degrees Fahrenheit and support both Celsius and Fahrenheit, and a legible LED screen that displays up and down rotation readings when you press the power button twice and is magnetic for versatile placement options. You can either use the built-in settings for various dishes or customize them to your preference. This digital thermometer is equipped with an alarm for high and low temperatures that you have set for the meat you are cooking. The alarm is triggered on both the unit and your phone when the cooking temperature is outside your specified range, or to let you know when your meal is ready, when the connection is lost, or when the device is switched off. Pros: several long probes. Rechargeable battery. Smartphone compatibility. Magnetic rotatable screen. Countdown timer. Cons: probes. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.